Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is what, Saturday? Happy Saturday everyone. I hope you're okay, y'all. Since I keep forgetting, and I forgot in the last video, I think I did as well. So I'm going to go ahead and say it now. Definitely check out Lil's World. She'll be linked below. Her, Nine Blossom, and Rose Budgeting Life are needing help with watch hours. Definitely check them out. Is pretty much show you all. So this morning see, here she go. This morning when Chris went live, I did take notes. And Mommy Trader said we need to track our expenses like a corporation, which I like that. Thank you, MT. Somebody needs to put that on a shirt. Also, somebody did mention, I don't remember who, but they said our money is our employees, so we need to make sure they need to go where they need to go. I like that too. Somebody need to put that on a shirt as well. But Chris was telling us about her budget template, and we're starting out with the main income. And then, of course, we go through, break everything down. So I want to show you all what I did because Jasmine, no, you're not getting out. So I actually went through and I had to rewrite my budget. Y'all, let me tell you what I did. So I went to Navy Federal's website, and I just said that all wrong. So I went to Navy Federal's website. I have the flagship credit card with them. I also have my card note through them, and I went to get ready to pay my card note. Guess where I sent it? I sent the entire $225 to the credit card. And I was like, oh no, wait, that's not right. So I called Navy Federal. The person told me that I would need to wait until the next day, which was yesterday, before I can have that money moved over to the car note. And I was going to pay $141 towards my credit card, which is not in this budget because I pretty much just sent that money to the credit card that I purchased something on, so I didn't add it to this budget, which is why you don't see it. I decided I'm going to keep the $225 that I paid the car payment to the credit card. I'm going to keep everything like it is. I did send $141 to the car payment, and whatever interest that I occur, you know what I'm saying, whatever interest I end up getting from when I paid the 141 until the next time I get paid, I will pay it with my next paycheck, and that will help with everything. So it's okay. No, the car payment is not $225 a month. I wish. Actually, the car payment is $406, but I tried to pay. I said try. Sometimes that's not always the case. So I tried to pay between $400 and almost $500 a month to get it taken care of. So I did go to the ATM machine, and all the money is folded. So we'll do a cash stuffing if I do have time in this video. Hopefully this video is recording the correct way. If not, I'll have to go in and get everything rotated. So Chris said we need to start out with all the income sources. So my only income source was when I got paid $14, $15, $80. Then we need to start with expenses, which would be fixed expenses and variable expenses. So fixed expenses was AT&T, Term, Google, Netflix, Cricket, NES, State Farm, and mortgage. Now, remember with the fixed expenses, those typically stay the same monthly. Next, we got our variable expenses, such as anything that may change monthly, groceries, gas, things like that. So pretty much what we put in our cash envelopes would be variable. Of course, I got groceries $180, spending $50, which I'm only going to stuff $20 for spending. Travel got $40, miscellaneous got $10, which makes a total of $800. That is way too much. $280. And then she mentioned that we should have a second category from expenses, which would be debt. And since I paid the $225 for my car payment to my credit card, so I just put it as debt. And now I only have 200 and I think 30 some dollars, if I'm not mistaken, to pay. So that'll get paid before the statement closes again, so we don't have any interest. Last, we want to put money aside for savings, and it just says, and this is very, very sloppy because I was trying to write without having to pause, especially since I was at work watching the video. So it just says to calculate a percentage of income to go to savings. Now, as far as the percentage, I didn't do, but I'm wondering now, how much is this? Let's see if I can calculate. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure what percentage is the total for 117 versus the income. I will figure that out and put it right here. So, after that, the diagram kind of looks like this, kind of telling you what goes where. So, I got my fixed expenses, variable expenses, debt, and savings is last. So savings, we got buffer $8, invest $15, Christmas $29, Navy Federal Savings $5, SoFi, which is the emergency fund, $40, and I do have $20 in my wallet. So I wanted to show you all that, compare it to how I ended up budgeting before I saw Chris' video this morning. So we still have pretty much the bills, but the savings was included in the variable and fixed expenses. Also, the debt was also included in the fixed and variable expenses. So when I get paid again, I want to write everything out like this, have it more clear, more plain. And let's go ahead and do this cash stuffing now. Hold on. Okay, so I got my, handy dandy sort quick. Let me put some. Okay, I'm back. So everything is $20 in $20 bills except for this 10. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, $50. Now I know we're supposed to be cash stuffing $280, but for spending, I'm only going to stuff $20. So for grocery, and I probably shouldn't have put this on. I don't want to make this all oily and whatnot. Hold on. Okay, that's not helping. That doesn't help either. Okay, we'll just try it this way. So I have to go through, clean off my cards, but I know what's what. So thankful. Thankful is for traveling. Was it one in front of this? Blessed, not getting stuff. Thankful is for travel. So we're doing 20, 40. And these envelopes are from Silynthia and Cassie J. I got these envelopes when they did their giveaway. Seems like when they first was opening up on Etsy. Still have them. Grateful is for grocery, and I haven't did any spending since I got paid. So grocery, and this is mostly for Thanksgiving. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, $80. So for this, let's do it this way. That way, things won't be so bulky. So we have all the money for grocery. When it comes to out to eat, it's not getting anything or anything like that, but miscellaneous, and I'm going to put that in blessed. And the last $20 is going to spending, even though it says spending for $50. I'll be getting the $30 back in a couple days, so that's why I'm stuffing $30. 20 bucks. So there's that. Let's go ahead and see how much money I actually have in cash that I can stuff. Also, this wallet here is from Danny over at Simple Shops, and this charm is from Budgeting Just Because, Chris. So I took all the money out of the envelopes, and that money that I just stuffed, that's what you all just saw. This money is from the last of October paycheck, plus the $16 that I had in rollover, which, let me check. If I'm not mistaken, y'all, I still have a flash drive from when I went to a 2-year college many years ago. So let's see. Let me read this. Okay, so I got all the money out, and I think I have $1 in here, so I'm going to add to it. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Remember, this was supposed to be $39, but I ended up having more money, so I did take $20 and just set it aside for my wallet. And this video is about 12 minutes now, so I'm just going to make a new one, and we'll do the saving challenge. Yeah, that's right, saving challenges in the next video. Let's see if I'm able to complete any. Oh, I know what I wanted to ask y'all. Did y'all see that fight last night? What did y'all think of it? Now the girls fight, the women fight was definitely 1,000% better than Mike Tyson and Paul. Like, that's crazy. And I'm mad because I still need to rewatch it. Like, how do y'all feel about that fight? Other than that, have a